Good afternoon. This is the DC Bellway Gardener in Denver, Colorado. I got some basil on ice here in this hailstorm. So let's take a look at our aftermath. Like I said in a previous video, this is pea size and marble size. It looks fine over there. Doesn't look fine up there. I'm venturing out to my raised beds here to close my Vega cover flap and see how it did. I've been wondering if this thing was going to blow off. There we go. All right, let's take a look. Got some slant from the north, and look, it did pretty good. I think it missed some of my tomatoes. I'm gonna look at that. I think this thing's a winner. Let's take a look at what's going on here. I've got some daisies, some hail daisies. I got a little sunflower coming up there. There's a three machine zucchini I put in. It's still alive. I now have a little bowl of hail here in my potatoes and some zucchini. I just planted everything in here without control, right? My potatoes got a little shredded. But my thought is if this gets shredded, maybe the potatoes will still grow and come up. They grow from the root. Here's my other, I got some Swiss chard on ice, some more Swiss chard on ice, some more potatoes. All right, well, happy gardening, Colorado. Let me know how your garden's doing. Send me some videos. I miss you guys in Zone 7. Good day.